Is your laser printer leaving annoying streaks, lines, or bands across every page it prints? A printer producing streaky or lined pages is one of the most frustrating problems you can run into, especially when you need clean, professional document in a hurry. These issues can be caused by a dirty or damaged drum unit, a low or faulty toner cartridge, dirty rollers, or contaminated fuser unit, or even dust and debris built up inside the printer over time. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to clean your printer's printhead using the cleaning solution. And if you've tried everything and your printer is giving you trouble, call our team at the numbers on the screen for quick help from experts. Now, let's get started with the solution. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, open the cover of your printer to access the printhead section. Once the cover is open, carefully use a screwdriver to remove the white plastic cover if it is there. Now, gently take out all the cartridges from the printhead one by one. Make sure to handle them with care to avoid any damage. Take a paper towel and slide it underneath the printhead. This will catch any excess ink or cleaning solution during the process. Next, take your cleaning syringe and attach its tube to the knob of whichever color you would like to clean first. Slowly and gently press the cleaning solution into the printhead using light, steady pressure. Avoid rushing this step. Slowly and steady gives the best result. Note, you can repeat this cleaning process for all ink colors if needed for more thorough cleaning. Once you finish cleaning all the knobs, carefully remove the paper towel that was placed under the printhead. Now, it is time to place the ink cartridges back into the correct positions in the printhead. Note, before closing everything up, make sure your printhead is completely dry. Once you're confident it is, go ahead and reattach the white plastic cover securely. Close the printer cover and your printer should now be ready to print. Go ahead and run a test print to check if the issue has been resolved. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.